Hello friends, today we are going to learn standard 10 subject maths 1 chapter number 2 quadratic equations. In that we are going to study about nature of roots of quadratic equations. Nature of roots. We know the formula method, that is alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this case there is delta, that is delta is b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then nature of roots is or real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the solution of quadratic equations is real and equal. Second condition, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then nature of roots, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation has real and unequal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the nature of root is the roots are not real. These are three conditions of nature of roots. Now we can take some examples in practice set 2.5. Practice set 2.5. There is an activity, fill in the blanks and complete. First example, quadratic equation is given. It is ax square. We know the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. And that it is given that b square minus 4ac is equal to 5, and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. These two conditions are given. Now identify the nature of the roots of these two conditions. Identify nature of roots. We know three conditions of nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. These are three conditions. Using these three conditions we can identify the nature of the roots. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. This is given. 5 is greater than 0. We know that. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Means the roots are real and unequal. And in second condition, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is less than 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means nature of roots is the roots are not real. Got it, all of you? Okay. Now second is sum of the roots are given, it is minus 7, and product of roots are given minus 5. And find quadratic equations. For that, we know the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. And also alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is c upon a. These are two formulas for relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. And to obtain quadratic equation having given roots of the equations are given, means sum of the roots is minus 7 and product of the roots is minus 5, it is given. We have to form a quadratic equation using these two conditions. For that, there is a formula. Sum of the roots is minus 7 and product of the roots is minus 5. Then find quadratic equation. We have to form a quadratic equations. Quadratic equation condition for that, if alpha and beta are two roots of the given quadratic equation, then the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x and plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is minus 7 and product of the roots means alpha into beta, that is minus 5. Then put the values. X square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7 into x plus alpha into beta is minus 5 is equal to 0. Now x square minus minus becomes plus 7x plus minus becomes minus 5 equal to 0. Means this is the required equation, quadratic equation. Got it? Okay. Now if alpha and beta are roots of the following quadratic equation, third example is given. Alpha and beta are the roots of 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Then find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. This is given. Therefore, alpha plus beta, value of alpha plus beta and value of alpha into beta. Find out these two values. For that, we have to compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we have values of a, b and c. Value of a is 2. Value of b is 2, b is minus 4 and c is also minus 3. Now find alpha plus beta. We know the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Put the value minus b. Value of b is minus 4 upon a is 2. minus minus becomes plus 4 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It is equal to 2. Means value of alpha plus beta is 2, and alpha into beta, formula for that is C upon A. Put the values, C is minus 3 and A is 2. Means value of alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2. Means alpha plus beta is equal to 2, and alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2. These all three examples are in question number 1 of practice set 2.5. Now we are going to learn practice set 2.5 question number 2. Got it all of you? Thank you.